Good morning, people, after a very long time, and welcome back to our channel. So today we've decided for a family outing, and where we're heading is a place called as near Wada was Palghar side, which is I'll tell you the name. I forget the name. It's Streams by the side. Yeah, we just waited for our breakfast now, and we have
masala dosa.
So Anita's ordered for a masala dosa. I've ordered for a medu vada, and yeah, Rocky, Roma, Mama, children are traveling in a cab, not by a car. So yeah, and me and Anita on our blueberry is what Anita says. So see you all again.
Finally, we took a small stop before we reached that place.
Yeah, lights, eh?
And what are you having?
Chai.
Sure, na? Chai only.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the property, right? As per the Google map. So you enter in here, and we've been asking the watchman in the front. So he said that stream side villa is right inside. So you have to still go ahead around 2-3 minutes more. Inside? Okay, confirmed it's inside. Wait, I'll go slow. Villas all around, small villas.
Your destination is on the right.
And we do not know we are
Serenity.
This villa or this villa. Where are you all? Where? Oh, finally found this is the villa. So there are all small villas all around. Yeah, watchman, दरवाजा खोल. Watchman, दरवाजा खोल. Hi. So finally, after settling myself, I've just come out so that I can take a short video of the entrance. So I showed you all earlier that we came in from that property from that end over there, and there are a lot of villas, you know, coming up here, and I think most of them are on on rent or like this for holiday. They give it out for, you know, people for 1 or 2 days. See this front, you can see one more, and this is the one we are staying here. And there are a lot of chiku trees all around, you can see. So the property looks This is the entrance. Small garden around. Cameras are fit in here. Small lawn when you enter. See? This is a small garden area. This is a Peru tree. And then you have the swing to chill in the evening. And at this corner we have the swimming pool. Now the entrance is from the house itself, or you can even get in. Hi people! Yay! So all are enjoying here. This place to sit around. There are big, French windows where you can see out. And now we enter in. What I understand, I can see one room at this end and one room at this end, and this is the entrance here. So entrance, we have a fridge right here. The door has a security key, with that is the codes, the numeric code, and you have a small table right in front to sit, and nice sofa and a small tepoy. AC is given. So as I mentioned, there is one room at the right with TV and AC, and this is the bathroom cum washroom, but toilet washroom. Good big mirror. So you can actually watch outside, see the entrance. The curtains are open, and on the other end you have this small sort of kitchen or small pantry, induction given, cabinets with plates and small essentials which are required. There is spoons given, small tea, coffee cups. I can see a Bisleri bottle given, and this is the switch. Okay, and the small cabinet all around, so where you can keep in a dining place. And now I'll be moving upwards on the first floor. I have this window coming in here, and this is okay. And here there is a terrace where you can have your evening chai or have some fun games. So I find, compared to that property in the front, that is quite big, and it's quite bigger than this plot. This plot is a bit smaller, but good enough for we are hardly 7-8 of us together. This is the first bedroom. It's attached with a swimming pool. And
hey, don't drink. Jay, you're drinking? You have to go forward, no? stop. Don't stop. If you stop, you go inside. Take your hands and legs. Take hands and legs. I'm there. I'm catching you. Ah.
हाँ हो गई इंतजार की आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं फिर बचा क्या हुई इंतजार की बॉडी जरा एकदम
टेस्ट करावं लागलं
ना हे पूर्ण बॉडी होते याच्या हे खेळलं तर पूर्ण बॉडी
अनिता हाँ क्या करूँ क्या करूँ बाबू वी हैव टू हिंदी
गया गया मर गया पुराना सो गया
नाच
सॉन्ग
अरे बियर पीने के बाद पूछ रहे तू उसको रोमा
चालबाज
नहीं तू ये कर क्या रे इतना भी नहीं
मला खबर नाही काय करा तुझं
चालबाज मुझसे शादी करोगी
है ये क्या है तू वर्ड डांस छोड़ तू वर्ड ही बोल अभी
वन मोर थर्ड वर्ड 3 बार
ब्रेकिंग है
फर्स्ट वर्ड मौत जैर हाँ जैर
आणि काय बोलतात त्याला
जैर
मराठी
शी शुड नो इन मराठी
काय बोलतात
विष
ना
विष वात्मा
वास
हे
नाटा
काय लॉंग आहे ते सांगलं ना
विष वात्मा
लॉंग आहे ते सांगलं डान्स
नाश्ता काय यायला
आम्हाला चाव पियाचा ना
हा चाय हा भाकर खा करणार
हा नाही ते तर सोडा ते चांगले आहेत ते घ्या सगळे
बबू वेर डिड यू गो
ते चाणीव खातात ना ते
वेर डिड यू गो and come now we have to go to river also okay we seen no yesterday वो ड्रमस्टिक है ना
जाएगा पानी में पानी में उधर जाएगा
नाही
पानी तो थोड़ा हमें हमें
नाही काम वो माहिती काम
no what is that crocodile
अब इतने बार आना
water no tell Pitu not to go no say no now Hold hands.
I know she also get me.
Slowly. Oh, Chiku. Come fast, no? The water will go otherwise. Come. See, he's putting water for Chiku tree. Yeah. This is Chiku tree. No running. Slowly. Crocodile will come up. Wait, let me go front. Wow, down there is garden. That's it, that's it. Where? Yeah, there are some stuff. I think you can sit on the top over there. Wow, so nice. See, so much water is there. Made for sitting in. We can finish. See, it's a huge stretch. Roma.
Slowly, slowly. Must be joining
Where?
Vinegar ka body.
This. I can go. Standing only jump. Nothing will happen. Stand here. Standing only jump. Jump. I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Come on. Jump. 1, 2. Yay!